Le presenting Fedi Magosana Antopola. You know things them different already, see it, yeah? I on the board. Let me sit clear. Ka boom boom dino. Sinenga jambe freestyle. Osa give thanks to the master. For the life, me nyama jan. Kuri sister come jan. First, if you don't have the gear, chimo jan. Klingo, lelo sinde yenda ningo kala pa then cause me was some relaxing. Koma, ukango tulukila, utaje kaka makeup. Nikuza mwetulila, nikuza sekelela, ndi mabala lika. And as soon mutu manga muma that and this my bites and my plan. Girl you cute and smart, why nango don't take time. Them finna say your body they I win. Girl, daily you play me happiness, yeah. Nigga kuona, you release me stress. Girl, I'm if you tell you say by qualification, you are me nice. Yeah, the Gambe no seen it. Yeah, Malawi you say wake up. Malawi must wake up. Malawi youth wake up. Yeah, Malawi must wake up. Wake up. Malawi youth wake up. Malawi must wake up. You know. Hold on. Yeah. Malawi, the chan, Ukutan, Kodi Chimakala, Chile chan. Tona lelo what a discipline from origin. And yes, I could say what could Malawi they do African. And a choke and the good fella, for better attention. Or said what I get a youth nowadays one. Them I go back from the west and imagine. Winner I'm a bit of Kuku Chichi Malomota, but the smart is at a distance. Komaka, I can't go down. Kobanda so la la lamba many amalo wa charity ta trouser gongwela congregation you say after service I'm gonna for some concubis who gonna call away who gonna damn yeah let me talk about star life yeah the Gamba knows how star life let me talk about the star life yeah hold on flow janga jina the ghetto on the dipi mama ni akandiva papa speaker sakumvetsa kuchitokesera dovungata wona chicks hippie ghetto inadzaza ni magangster nata superstar me tell you a little bit pan gangster ka gangster lulu gangster when you got ill he don't take the panadol he's sick for the high grade the gant and tondo zamba as the cure for this disease lulu gangster can go cook and display figure the 3 times then he back to the norm. He back to the norm and I'm done.